This mountain bike race I did in Townsville was probably 6 to 8 weeks ago, I think. I'm recording this sometime later. You can probably tell by my hair it's grown a bit.
Welcome back to Travel Fit.
Hi, and if it's your first time, start again.
Okay.
Off you go.
Welcome back to Travel Fit.
Hi, if it's your first time here, welcome to Travel Fit. I'm
Do it
Tim.
again because you said welcome to Travel Fit too.
Okay.
Welcome back to Travel Fit. We haven't done this for a while.
What are we doing?
Welcome back to Travel Fit.
If it's your first time here, hi, I'm Tim.
Yeah.
If it's your first time here, I'm Tim, and I'm Matt. Okay.
Welcome back to Travel Fit.
If it's your first time here, I'm Tim.
And I'm Amanda.
And we were on our 5-week trip, which we did a lot of videos on. And we were in Townsville, and just by coincidence, the day after Amanda did her triathlon, there was a mountain bike race. It's in a place called Douglas, which is really hilly. A bit of a club event, a lot of fun. Saw a dingo.
Really?
Yeah, chasing some roos. Very cool. I've never seen a dingo in the wild before. And we started at the bottom of the hill, which is actually bitumen, and we had to ride straight uphill to get to the first bit of single track. So you go from cold to straight up this hill. It was really hard. It's probably my Achilles heel, is those short, sharp hills, particularly from the start. So got into the race and was feeling a bit average, to be honest. Probably on the second lap, I actually was thinking, you know what, I'm not really enjoying this. There's another lap to go, because it was 3 laps. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep going here. Here I am in the 40 to 49 age group, right at the end of it, I'll have you know.
Doing well.
But of course, as you come through the start-finish area, I felt okay. I thought I'll keep going. So I went in, started the 3rd lap, which probably is the one I felt the best. During the 3rd lap, actually there was a guy catching me. So I found out after he was the age group under, but you don't know that at the time. So I'm looking behind and he's gaining on me. So that made me go pretty hard for that last lap. The lap itself went predominantly uphill, almost to the highest point, and then back downhill through all this single track. So it's some really cool riding. If you're ever in Townsville, I recommend get over to Douglas and have a bit of a ride. As it was, I finished the 3rd lap and ended up 3rd in the 40 to 49 Masters Men, which was pretty cool. That's it, and then you're hanging on for dear life.
3rd place, Tim Whitman.
Yay! Good crack.
2nd place, Damien Savas. And 1st, Dan Broadford. All right, Super Masters.
So it just goes to show, you know, sometimes if you're somewhere and you've got your bike with you, what the hell, have a crack, have a go at it, which I did. And it was really enjoyable.